Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, good night, my people in which part of the world on the day. Today, me day, you know, I'm here think about how people back in the day when it come to duppy. You know, remember back in the day when people dead. Me not even know if people still do it nowadays. They would have take a measuring tape and put it round their waist underneath their clothes in an effort to run it up. Hey! Then, me remember to some people would have wear their clothes wrong side. Yes, because they say if you wear your clothes wrong side now, that will also keep away the duppy. And how much you remember a hair shoe? You remember a hair shoe where people used to put over a door mouth? Because if you put it there, that will prevent the duppy from coming in a house. And then, you remember when people pine pan grave, they say if you not bite it in finger, your finger them a go drop off. How can I think them that? I tell you, man. And then remember, if say your man or your husband dead, you'd have to wear red baggy or black baggy, because if you wear that now, he will make him man no bother you in a bed. Hey, my people, drop a line below and make me hear what other people used to say in a Funo district. As always, Mama Silva, have a beautiful morning, afternoon, evening, or night. Any which part of the world you know there. Let me go put on my measuring tape, yeah.